Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this quick video, I will answer the question, can you dropship without Facebook ads? Well, actually, yes, you can, and you will be surprised how many stores and Shopify stores and e-commerce stores are using different kind of alternative ways to advertise their store. Now, I will show you here on whiteboard what I mean by that. So, as you can see, this is your store, right? So you have a Shopify store or maybe dropshipping store. Let's say it's a dropshipping store. So there are many ways how you can drive traffic. You can build a Instagram account. That is the first way how you can drive traffic. You can drive traffic through your TikTok account. This is very popular right now, TikTok organic marketing. Very in demand and something that a lot of people are getting more views with, and they are promoting and earning money for their Shopify or dropshipping store. Now there is another way with SEO, so you can actually rank articles on Google, and all of those people that see your articles will go back to your store and you will make money on that as well. Now also, to note, you can also hire someone to do basically ads for you. Obviously, that is one thing that you can do. You can also promote your store on YouTube. So you can have a YouTube channel, just like what I'm doing right now. I'm promoting something on my channel. You can do it the same way on YouTube. For example, behind the scenes of your products, how your product works. You can basically distribute short form content on Instagram, on TikTok, and on YouTube, and that will basically drive traffic as well. So you have a bunch of different things that you can do, and you can also have Google ads. So it doesn't have to be Google ads. It doesn't have to be just Facebook ads. You also have TikTok ads as well. So TikTok ads, Google ads. You can obviously use Pinterest ads as well. You have Pinterest ads, and then a bunch of different other platforms. Now, what I would recommend, either TikTok or TikTok ads, so TikTok organic or TikTok ads, or if you want to go all in, Instagram short form, TikTok short form, YouTube short form, and then TikTok ads as well, just to top it off if you have more money. But that is basically what I would recommend if you don't want to dropship with Facebook ads. There's definitely ways that you can dropship without Facebook ads. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video clears out some of the things and concerns that you had before, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.